you want to learn about WordPress and how it works? Do you find the advice out there vague and not really useful? We know that what you need at the moment. First off, let's get the answer for you. WordPress is a software you use to build your own website or blog. It is also called as Content Management System or CMS. According to the tech whizzes, what you want to know is that it's totally free. Earlier, the only way to make a website was to use code in HTML or PHP format, and then your web browser would interpret this code. Well, the WordPress works exactly the same but without coding. This shows that it is a boon for the people who are not familiar with coding. My learning course is fully equipped to pave your way to success. Choosing us will empower your career in all ways. Apart from this, we help you to develop critical competencies in the digital era as well. We are the key to transform your career before you know it. You will be one of the best in town, so are you ready for the change? Then hurry up and find more about us. Show your interest by subscribing to our channel and land a career you love. www.mylearningcourse.com